How to check who viewed your TikTok story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check who viewed your TikTok story. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, what you can do is you can just open your active story. And now here, once you are inside the story, then what you can do is you can just tap on the viewer sections, which can be seen in the bottom left corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you will see a full list of people who viewed your story, and then you can scroll through and check all viewers easily. And that's it. That's how you can check who viewed your TikTok story. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.